Today I'm so excited and it's just a pleasure to be with a centenarian. I love being around old people and it's to get a chance to meet with Panchito, which is his nickname, and I love the nickname because it means love for the people. What I'll do is I will ask the question in English and then I'm gonna translate into Spanish, and then once Panchito answers the question in Spanish, we have Jorge here, a new friend of mine, who will translate that into English for us so we can understand. Yeah, I'm just so excited. Let's start. Pura vida, Panchito. So my first question is, what is your name and how old are you? Pregunta 1. ¿Cómo te llamas y cuántos años tienes?
Digo mi nombre. Mi nombre es José Bonifacio Villegafonso. Nací el 14 de mayo de 1917.
Panchito, Panchito dice que nació el 14 de mayo de 1917. Va a cumplir 106 años dentro de unos días. Sí, Panchito say, your name is José Bonifacio Villegas Fonseca. The born is 14 May. I forget it's 1957.
1957.
Él le va a preguntar ahora que cómo se siente su cuerpo y cómo siente su mente. Él se lo va a preguntar en inglés. Después de que le pregunte, usted me contesta. ¿Está bien? Él va a hablar en inglés y usted le contesta en español, como que si usted entendiera inglés. ¿Está bien? Okay.
So the question is, how are you physically and mentally? So in Spanish it would be, ¿cómo su siente y mente?
¿Cómo siente su cuerpo y su mente? ¿Cómo se siente actualmente?
La mente ya hay mucho olvido. Pero caminar, ya no puedo caminar. Pero lo demás, yo me siento bien, gracias al Señor.
He say, I know I have a problem for work, but he work with help. This
What
much.
would help?
Yes. Okay. He say, my mind, I forget sometimes, but sometimes forget only.
Oh,
Your mind is excellent.
Great.
Okay. He say, but now I am good. Thanks for God. Every day.
Gracias. Sí.
Panchito, y la otra pregunta que él le quiere hacer es, él le va a preguntar en inglés. Yo se lo voy a decir primero en español. ¿Cuál es el secreto para vivir tantos años? Él le va a preguntar en inglés y usted contesta. ¿Por qué ha vivido tantos años?
So the third question is, can you please tell us the secret to your longevity?
No, eso no lo sabe uno. Eso es Dios.
He say, I don't have in the question I don't have
Ahí no hay secreto.
it's no secret.
Dios es el que dirige.
Dios, the director. God is the director in your life.
Oh, got the
No secret.
Okay,
He says no secret.
I see. So there's no secret, but God guides you with your life. Okay, it's great. What a great answer. I love it. The last question is kind of long. If there's anything else he wants to teach us, or so that we can learn from the old generation, because older people are very wise. That's why I love being around older people.
Panchito, la otra pregunta, que es más un consejo. La otra pregunta es, en realidad, él quiere que usted le dé un consejo a las personas más jóvenes para tener una buena vida. Él le va a preguntar en inglés y usted después contesta. Cuando yo levanto la mano, usted contesta. Ok, la pregunta es esa. ¿Qué consejos le daría usted a las personas jóvenes para que tengan una buena vida y una vida larga? ¿Qué él le va a preguntar en inglés y después usted contesta?
Yeah. So I don't want to take much of your time, but if you have anything else that you would like to teach us younger people, we could really learn from older people with a lot of wisdom like you.
Portarse bien. Ser una persona humilde. Y así va viviendo uno tranquilamente.
¿Y qué más? ¿Qué más? ¿Qué otro consejo? Trabajar no.
No.
No, trabajar. Usted me contaba un día, Panchito, que ahora la gente son más vagos.
¿Cómo?
Un día usted me dijo que las nuevas generaciones, la gente joven, son vagos.
No lo entiendo.
Que usted me contó que la gente ahora ya no trabaja, que son muy vagos. ¿Qué consejo le daría usted a los jóvenes con respecto al trabajo y a estudiar y todo?
Es que, pues, mejor dicho, no sé, pero la gente era pobre. La gente para vivir era, digamos, jornal. Digamos, de patrones a trabajar una semana, media hora, así. Una vida como era, bastante como difícil. Ahora todo es fácil. Uno, para ir a Nicoya, era a caballo, y eran 3 horas de caminar a caballo, y antes, ahora que va.
The answer is, he say, I forget 2 words, but he say, the younger people is no go to the drugs, working, portarse bien, is a very much sleep early, the very early get up the next day. It's big. In the second, he said, when I am younger, is no money in the house, but all is different. Okay, what is the difference? Is I need.
No, like when you, yeah, a lot
Well,
of
maybe say el say, for example, now come to Nicoya is 25 minutes.
Yes.
When Panchito go to Nicoya, the horse is 3 hours and a half.
See?
Only for go, for 3 hours and a half for
Yes.
tour. All the day for you go to Nicoya.
Yeah.
It's very difficult.
Yes.
But he say in the past is always better.
Yes.
Why? The way is no good, but all is better. Around the house,
Yes.
foods, rice, beans, corn, ayote, fruits, yuca, yapi,
Wow.
chicken, pig, cows, or meat.
It's in the chicken, yes.
Paradise.
Yes, it is a
Only
paradise.
in the house, coffee.
Yeah.
Go to the market.
Yeah, and well, when he was younger, yes, it's more difficult to use the road, but you get to ride the horse in the beautiful nature. It is longer,
Yeah.
but you ride outside and you get sunlight on your skin and you just move outside. So it's very healthy rather than sitting inside. Right now it's too comfortable, too convenient. Yes, the life was difficult when he's younger, but it's better than it is now.
He said in the past, to difference to now, the nature is more green.
Yes.
More trees, more animals in the mountain.
Yeah.
Sometimes the animal for food, but
Yeah.
only take for you need.
Yes.
Now no trees, no animals,
No
in the
animals,
rivers,
yeah.
no
Yeah.
fish.
See.
In the ocean is a little. You go, it's very difficult fish. In the past is
Plenty.
yes,
Yeah.
much.
Nature.
Is what is the problem? The men cut the trees. In the past is beautiful.
Yeah.
When he say the past to the present is a big difference.
Big change, yes.
The change is the man. The man is bad. Is the bad animal. He say one day.
So Panchito used to ride a horse a lot.
See, Panchito, the first time when go to the horse,
Yeah.
he have 4 years. The last time Panchito go to the horse is in the last year in July.
Last year, just last year.
Yes, in the
Wow.
yeah, 105. Now no more.
Oh.
Your horse died in the last January.
Oh.
The name is Corazon.
Oh,
Corazon.
Heart.
Sí, sí. Corazon, the horse.
Sure.
Special.
Yeah.
Yes.
See.
All the time live with Panchito.
Oh,
The big friend to Panchito.
Yeah.
The horse is 35 years.
5 years of
So,
friendship.
35 años. 35 years.
Wow, 35 years
Yes.
of friendship between. Wow.
Go in the corazón maybe 28 years.
Wow.
Le estaba contando de corazón, de su caballo, que fueron amigos muchos años
Yeah.
y vivieron muchas aventuras.
I miss this horse very much. That's 35 years in friendship. That's just amazing. And yeah, well, Panchito is 106 now, and just last year 105, still riding horses. That's just amazing. Too bad I wasn't able to. We couldn't capture that on camera, but that is really amazing for for somebody. Still,
I sent for you pictures to the last different pictures in the different moment.
Oh,
Panchito
okay.
and the horse.
Perfect.
I have the last picture, the last July, the last year, in front of the house.
Ah.
Panchito and the white horse, big
Wow,
horse.
big horse.
Panchito, all your life working the horse.
Ah, I see.
Sometimes working with machete and for sembrar rice, corn. He like more working to sabanero is the name.
Sabanero.
It's similar cowboy in
Oh,
United
yeah,
States.
cowboy, yeah.
Okay, in Nicoya Peninsula, sabanero.
Sabanero.
We working with the cows and pig
Ah, yes.
in caballo. Principal cows.
I see.
Yeah.
Oh.
Pachito, le estaba contando que usted trabajó a caballo toda su vida. No le he contado que sigue muy enamorado todavía.
Ah, yo trabajaba de todo, pero más a caballo.
He said, I working in all, but I prefer the horse, sabanero.
Como se ganaba un poquillo más a caballo.
The people pay more when you working in horse.
Ah, yeah.
Famoso sabaneros.
A famous horse,
Yeah.
horseman. Ah. We need to get Panchito another horse.
Dice
Would you like another horse?
que usted necesita otro caballo. Dice él que necesita un caballo nuevo. Un caballo nuevo para usted. Ya no.
Ni viejo.
No younger horse, no old horse.
Ah, I see.
Sí, working 101 years. Go to the horse 101 years.
Wow, 101 years with horses.
Horse.
This is probably has the most experience with horses than anyone in this world. It's increíble. Thank you so much for your time. Muchas gracias.
¿Entendió, Pachito? Dice él que muchas gracias por su tiempo, por hablar con nosotros, por contarnos su vida, su historia. La mano.
Hey, this is Kent, longevity author and coach. Speaking of coaching, I do one-on-one coaching, group coaching, and in this coaching, I observe your lifestyle, where you eat, sleep, movement, and things like that to help you live a life free of diseases, mentally sharp, with unlimited energy. If you practice the things that I do, eventually you will live a long time, mentally sharp during old age. So if you have any questions, I'll be happy to work with you if you're interested. Thank you.